Whoa. Did you see that? Look at the downspout. See the downspout? Yeah. Bird. Don't get me. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Did you see that? No, we need to fix that. Whoa. Oops. Oh, the garage door's open. Shoot. Yeah. Oh. Come here, honey. I gotta show you something we need to fix. Look at. That's
Oh, wow.
that's dry rot, or gonna dry rot if we don't get that.